Can we just chat for a few? My name is Tay, and welcome if this is your first time stopping through. Thank you to my returning viewers as well. I wanted to discuss what it's been like owning the OG Surface Duo.
Let's do this!
Spectacular gadgets.
Let me just say, I was a first day, get it on release day type of chick. I pre-ordered the device and paid full retail. I can say my attitude was optimistic at the time. I know I dropped a lot of money for a device that most called it a half-baked biggest mistake device, but I honestly liked it for what it was. It's not a foldable, yet it is a dual screen device that is a true multitasking king. Two big square screens made it possible for me to like the device. The craftsmanship of the hardware was well thought out. I mean, this thing is so slim and thin and sleek, very easy to handle when relaxing or laying in bed. It just stayed in my hands without falling and hitting me in the face. I mean, come on, it's all happened to us. The software was a bit janky, a little undesired in the beginning, but you know what? I still kept it. Keeping it instead of selling it was one of the best things I could have done. I would have never thought of returning it. Well, actually, I did return it. But wait, it's not why you think. I returned it and purchased it within the same week or so because of a price difference. I was able to save $200 because Microsoft was running some kind of promotion at the time. So I did a video on that if you want to check that out. Like I said before I started rambling on about the promotion, was keeping this and seeing it through was actually cool, because I wanted to see the progress made from beginning to current right now. Boy, what a difference hanging around can do. The needed updates made this device get better and better. This was their first attempt, so I was willing to possibly take an L for the sake of improvements and better devices in the future. But honestly, I wouldn't call it an L because I have always enjoyed this device from day one. Multitasking, the big screens. Typing on one screen while having full visibility of the other is very clutch. The many positions you can put the Duo in without feeling like you're going to break it, it's pretty satisfying. That engineering that went into the Duo's hinge was phenomenal.
Oh yeah.
Now, even people who really dislike the Duo, but one thing they agreed on was the hinge design was off the hook. I hated the camera, and not so much the quality per se, but the way you had to use it when switching from selfie to rear. It was a very bad idea in my opinion. It was slow and it wasn't very reliable in my experience. But again, software updates helped it out a little, and software updates all around started improving the Duo. Is it the best it can be? No, of course not. It's their first attempt, but it really worked for me. I just liked it and I was willing to stick around. Now, the battery life on the Duo isn't the best. You'll probably make it home from work and will have to hurry and put it on a charger before it dies on you. But that's depending on your use case. The device could totally use more RAM, and that's for more intensive tasks, so the experience can be a bit smoother. The Duo speaker is just okay at best.
Spectacular gadgets.
I have also said this from day one. I was not feeling the lack of notifications. The sneak peek mode was half-baked idea. It wasn't really useful. I needed something that would stay on until I checked the notifications. But I guess the battery would have taken another hit. With that said, I am super glad Microsoft didn't kill off the Duo line. They know they are on to something, and they need time to tweak it and get it right. Other consumers, including myself, spoke on things we liked, disliked, and absolutely hated about the device. I feel like they listened in a way. The changes made on the Surface Duo 2 tells me this. Now, did they listen to the right people? Well, that can be up for debate. I am glad I was able to get the first generation of this device because I can witness firsthand what improvements are being made to make this and future Duos the device to get. Will I be getting the Surface Duo 2? Well, it's for me to know and for you to find out. So you're gonna have to stay tuned to my channel to find out. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.